Good day, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Have you ever wondered how hedges get so straight? Here's a hedge. And what is that behind it? Look, it's a green tractor with a long yellow hedge cutter. Can you see the spinning blades on the hedge cutter? The blades chop up everything they touch. They can cut grass low down on the ground. And they can cut the hedge high up on the top. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The hedge cutter chomps up the dry branches. Wow. The farmer carefully controls the cutter. As the cutter moves along, it leaves a straight hedge behind. The big red wheels are great for driving on the muddy road. Now we know how hedges get so straight. Hooroo! Feel free to comment below. What would you like to see next? And don't forget to subscribe.